What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about some really big, exciting news for the cryptocurrency space, a Bitcoin ETF one step closer to approval, as well as Twitter, aka X, getting a license for crypto payments in the United States. The market's pumped today off this news, and the cryptocurrency upcoming cycle is starting to get more and more exciting. Let's talk about all that today in this video. Guys, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. It really does help me grow, and I would appreciate it a lot. So first off, let's discuss X, aka Twitter, getting cryptocurrency payment approval and licenses to be able to use that on the platform in the United States. So essentially how I think X is going to incorporate crypto payments onto the platform is they're essentially going to give users a crypto wallet. And if your X account has a crypto wallet attached to it, that opens up a ton of possibilities for creators across the board. It seems like crypto is coming to the X platform in a big way, and it is very exciting for content creators and users in general. So having a wallet attached to your X account could be super exciting because let's say you see a Twitter space that you really like, or a comment you really like, or a thread that someone puts out that's super educational. You could tip them in any cryptocurrency that the X payment platform allows you to use. So not only is X paying content creators for impressions and tweets and likes and retweets and bookmarks, etc., but they're also going to be giving users a crypto wallet that's built in directly to their account, and they can receive, send, potentially trade, buy, and sell cryptocurrency all through the X platform. So the more use cases for cryptocurrency, the better. This could also be a catalyst for other social media platforms if this implementation is successful to adopt something similar. So when Elon Musk says X is going to turn into the everything app, this does seem like one step closer to that potential vision. So my guess is in the coming months, Elon Musk and X is going to incorporate crypto payments sooner rather than we think. This could probably mean the big cryptocurrencies, potentially Ethereum and Bitcoin. But as we all know, Elon Musk has talked about Dogecoin a number of times. He has pumped the price, he has dumped the price, he has manipulated markets in terms of the Dogecoin market cap time and time again. And so therefore, I think it's fairly reasonable to think that Dogecoin could be one of the coins that X implements into their system. The trader in me thinks this might be a potential opportunity to acquire some Dogecoin and then flip it when it potentially gets integrated into the X platform. Maybe that's something I'll do, and I do think it's a potential opportunity. But regardless, this is an entirely new paradigm and very exciting for this social media platform, and I don't think X is going anywhere anytime soon. Remember to check out my exclusive Discord in the description below. We are running a short-term discount for new members. We have some of the best whitelists, some of the best tools, some of the best networking possible in my exclusive Discord down in the description below. All right, next up, we have Bitcoin ETF news. And today, August 29th, a big victory was had for the cryptocurrency space. So before we talk about a Bitcoin ETF, let me catch you up on what a Bitcoin ETF really is. So essentially, a Bitcoin ETF would allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin via the traditional stock markets. So they could buy and sell Bitcoin without ever actually having to buy and sell Bitcoin directly. This would eliminate any self-custody issues, having to put Bitcoin into cold storage, or any of that nonsense that a lot of wealthy investors don't want to have to deal with. So as you can see, allowing investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without actually having to buy Bitcoin itself opens up the floodgates for millionaires and potential billionaires to dump decent percentages of their portfolio into this asset as a hedge versus inflation and other investments. So at least in the United States, we have been waiting for a Bitcoin ETF for many years, and the SEC has been fighting it tooth and nail. But now we've seen companies like BlackRock and Grayscale, some of the biggest companies in the entire world, are now looking for approval for a Bitcoin ETF. We've also seen BlackRock on social media with their CEO being fairly bullish on Bitcoin. And so I think you combine these factors, and this could mean that this next upcoming cycle could be absolutely huge. So I think this Bitcoin ETF news that is on the horizon, whether the SEC decides to once again bar these companies from getting an ETF approved, I do think in the decently near future, we have a better chance of getting one approved than not. And so I think this very news is reason enough for me to have at least a decent portion of my portfolio in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a hedge versus inflation. It is a finite supply. No more are ever going to be created than the 21 million in circulation. And in fact, there's actually quite a bit less than 21 million in circulation because A, the supply isn't fully fleshed out for mining, and also B, many Bitcoin have been lost to time. And so whether or not you think $100,000 Bitcoin or a $500,000 Bitcoin or even $1 million Bitcoin is impossible, I'm not writing any of that off because of the limited supply, the amount of money in the world, and also this great news on the horizon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the very next one for more cryptocurrency and NFT news. Peace.